I just want to say that it is freezing cold, but this Jeep needs to get done. I also work this weekend and I work tonight, and so I'm gonna try to use some of my daytime. Freezing. I was wanting to see the wood jiggle. Hoo-wee. So right now, this is the head of this right here is the support for the headrest and for this top half of the sleeper platform. So those are going to be the 3 crossbars. And we're working on the little 2 pieces that will support this back end here. And then there'll be 3 pieces that go across there to support that end. Currently, we're trying to figure out how to like double notch 2 pieces of wood together. And yeah, it's like puzzles, and you know, it's kind of shouldn't be complicated, but it is complicated in some weird way. So you can see that that's the crossbar that's going to support our heads when we lay down. And then you're going to have these bars. I mean, it's not perfectly measured right this second, just giving you a general idea. So you're going to have these bars that go across and notch into each section for the weight support. Well, then back here it's the same thing. You have these crossbars that are notched in. So yeah, like that. So yeah, that's what's going on. We are doing this. We are working on it tonight. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get at least a majority of it done. Yeah, so maybe another night of working on it and it'll be completo, but we're getting all the frame and cutting out the notches tonight. Was that stupid? Yeah, that was totally stupid. Look at all the dust and shit on my jacket.
That's all the way forward.
Alright, where's the...
Almost.
You know, you're not going to be able to put that in with my fat ass up on here.
Just right there.
Okay, so that's what that looks like. These extend out to give another, I don't know, 6 inches or something like that. But that's the middle part of the Jeep. And like these, see how that just comes up? These slide in and out so you can put your seat back while you're driving. That one side's crooked, but I'm not worried about it. So yeah, I'm gonna put my head up here. The light's gonna fade. So yeah, the bottom part we don't have done yet. So that's what it's gonna look like. Did you see my... So there'll be a platform here, and there's plenty of room. Yeah, so that's that. Oh, it's dark now. Will this turn on? Oh, shit. So, like, up here, this is my middle light, my back seat light. And somewhere in here, I don't know, I figured this is where the head of the coat bed will be. So, somewhere along here, somewhere along that big light is... Sorry I'm moving around so much and the video is probably shitty. But, somewhere in here, I was thinking of, like, doing, like, a Velcro strap or something to, like, hold my gun. So this is what we've got so far. You can see where, like, we have the head extensions. If the seats are up, then those little pieces up there are the head extensions. But when the seats are back, those will come back and then it'll just be like one big square. That's our 40, that's our 60. We'll have a big square piece to come back here. Not too worried about having an additional brace back here. We think we'll be fine. So we ran out of plywood. So yeah, when that... Damn it. Did I not turn something? I can't figure out the lights. I haven't even figured out this thing quite yet. Look at this. Yeah. So anyway. Look at the dust. This was a fun project. It's been a fun project. And I'm hoping that I'll have great memories going cross country in Luna. Luna gonna take me there. So anyway, that's the end of this video for the night. I don't know if I'm gonna like record again and make it like one whole video, or I might make this like part 1 and then record the other half and do like part 2. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make this 2 videos. So this is part 1, and then part 2 will be like the final, like when we finally get the back half together. And I don't know if I'll do like my organization, storage, and like where I'm gonna put everything. Yeah. So anyway, I'm gonna end this video. Thanks for sticking by. I'll do another video, part 2. This is gonna be part 1, for sure, part 1. So, alright. See you again next video. Bye.